today's video we're going to learn about recording in SPSS. So we are going to learn about recording into same variable, recording into different variable, and then we're going to learn about automatic record. So let's go. So the first step is to bring in the data, or to fill in the data, or to import the data, or to use the example of data that is found in SPSS. So already I've brought in my data and we are going to proceed. For you to carry out recording in SPSS, you go to transform, and then we are going to talk about record into same variables. I'm not going to perform this because if you use this, it is going to replace your original data. So it is advisable always to use record into different variables because it is going to generate another variable which is different from the one that you have in your initial data set, so that if you make a mistake, at least you still have the original data. So let's go. So you click that, and then which respondent do you want to record? We are going to record training attended. I failed also to tell you that recording helps you to transform your variable into numeric if in case it was a string variable, so that you perform some analysis which are not able to be performed when your variable is a string. So we are going to click training attended, take to this window. The first step, you're having a question mark. We are going to give it a name, and we're going to give it training recorded. So we can have it as recorded label training. Then going to click change for your change the effect. Then we're going to proceed to all the new variable. So we are replacing, because our data contains training attended in terms of yes or no. You either attended the training or you did not. So for yes, we are going to code it into 1, and then you click add. For no, we are going to record it into 0, and then you add, then continue, then okay. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is go to variable view, and then observe if a new variable was created, which is called training recorded. Yes, it was created and it is here. And then we go to data view to see if the data was created. So you see we have 1, 0. Then we can see the analysis. We can do a frequency. So we can do this. So you have those who say no 4, and then those who said yes 16. So that's how you can record into different variables. Let's go to transform, and then we do the automatic transform. Then we're going to use training attended. We can call this one training training underscore. Remember, SPSS is space sensitive. So if you don't if you want to have space between your variable, use underscore. So training received, add new name, click OK. And then your SPSS will automatically generate automatic record where one is going to be assign no, then two is going to be assign yes. So that's how you can do your transformation of data in terms of recording and be able to carry out your analysis. So that's how you can do it. I hope you have learned something and I hope you're going to implement. Subscribe for more ideas and insights.